Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between PropStream versus PropWire. So basically, PropStream offers extensive nationwide data including MLS access, text record, mortgage information, and property details. However, users in non-disclosure states have reported discrepancies in comp data as it relies on estimates rather than actual sold prices. PropStream has advanced filtering options, example absentee owners, pre-foreclosures. It built-in calculator for ROI and rehab cost, MLSSS for on-market deals, and mobile app for on-the-go analysis. It has skip tracing at $0.12 per record. On PropStream, some users find the interface outdated and less intuitive compared to new platforms. Additionally, the lack of built-in dialer and CRM features has been pointed out as limitations. PropStream priced at $99 per month with additional cost for skip tracing and mailers. PropStream is ideal for seasoned investors and wholesalers who require comprehensive data, advanced filtering, and built-in analytics tools. While PropWire provides real-time MLS and off-market property data including ownership history and text records. While it offers comprehensive data, some users have noticed inflated property values and missing property photos. PropWire has unlimited market searches and downloads and advanced filters including zip code, property type, and ownership status. It has real-time MLS data and off-market property records, mobile access for property research, and skip tracing at $0.10 per record. While the PropWire platform offers a user-friendly interface, some users have reported issues with data accuracy and the absence of property photos, which can hinder decision-making. PropWire offers a free version with a paid tier at $49.99 per month, providing essential property data and skip tracing. PropWire is suitable for beginners and investors seeking a cost-effective solution with access to MLS and off-market data, though with some limitations in data accuracy. So basically, this is the difference between PropStream versus PropWire. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.